Welcome to the presentation of the duduk module of Yapsmi. The goal of this video is to introduce you to the basic capabilities of this module. In future videos, more plugins will be introduced, but those presented here are sufficient to produce sounds with a simple duduk model and change its physical parameters. Note that Yapsmi is meant for pedagogy and research, and is not suited to replace VST plugins. Let us begin with the main controls. First, the on/off button. As long as it is off, no computation is done and no sound is produced. When on, a numerical scheme is used to solve a physical model in real time. An estimation of the CPU load is indicated here. If we increase the mouth pressure over the threshold point, the auto-oscillation mechanism begins and a sound is produced. The sound that you hear now is the sound inside the reed, and if we exceed the extinction point, it stops. By clicking on the holes, the geometry of the resonator changes and the whole range of the duduk can be played, except for the half-hole fingerings. Another way to interact with the model is to change the control parameters which are found in this box. We already used the mouth pressure. There is also the reed frequency, the reed stiffness and its quality factor. Some more controls can be found in the next panel, such as the reed opening at rest. As of today, the control CD is not implemented in the model but will be added in the future together with maybe others, along with refinements of the duduk model. The details of the model and the control parameters can be found in the Help/Model menu. Extreme parameters may produce very loud sounds. A volume slider is available here. It adds a gain filter at the very end of the filter's chain and should be used in case cracklings are heard. We can now add our first plugin, which is the Radiate tool, found in the Effects menu. The plugin appears and is off by default. As the changes in volume can be significant, we should first decrease the mouth pressure. When the plugin is activated, it filters the sound through a transfer function that simulates the radiated sound 1.5 meters away from the source. The resulting sound can be heard by increasing once more the mouth pressure past the threshold point. The difference between the reed and radiated sounds can be heard when the plugin is turned off and on. The transfer function changes automatically when the fingering is changed. Some tools have been developed to analyze the sound. Today, we are only talking about one, which is the spectrum analyzer, found in the Analysis menu. It reacts in real time with the change in controls. For example, we can witness the spectral enrichment when the pressure increases. You now have an overview of the basic capabilities of the duduk module. You can find a link to the module in the description.